My name is Ross Blankenship, and I wrote Admit You to help parents and students just like you get into the best private day schools and boarding schools in America. Schools on the private day front, from Horace Mann, Trinity, Brearley, to boarding schools such as Exeter, Andover, Lawrenceville, Choate, Groton, and all those great boarding schools. This book shares the secrets, the tips, the strategies, even the rankings of the best schools. You've got to read this book if you want to know what the admissions officers are thinking and the secrets that matter the most. So, take a look at our website, toptestprep.com, or call us at 800-501-7737, and we'll give you a copy of Admit You today.